let's break down SFDP's visitor management, specifically for decision makers who care about security and governance. So let's get right to it. For so many places, visitor management is a huge, often hidden security risk.
You know, those old paper logbooks? They create all of these gaps, making audits and security a real headache.
It's really time to shift from that informal mess to a solution that puts governance first. That's where SFDP comes in. So what's the core idea? It's simple. Every visitor entry is authorized, recorded, and totally reviewable.
Okay, so how does it give you that total control? Let's jump into the key capabilities.
First up, digital check-in. This gets rid of manual errors and shows you exactly who's on site in real time. This means every detail is captured accurately: who they are, why they're there, and who they're visiting. Now, this next one is a game changer: pre-approved entry. This is all about being proactive with your governance. This simple process cuts down on congestion at the gate, all without ever weakening your security.
Then you have real-time dashboards. This is where you stop guessing and start making smart, data-driven decisions.
When you can see visitor trends and peak hours, you can manage your resources and your risks way more effectively. So what's the actual bottom line for your organization? Well, the value really breaks down into 3 key areas. First up, you get absolutely rock-solid governance and compliance. You'll be ready for any audit that comes your way. You have a complete, searchable digital trail that stands up to any and all scrutiny during audits. The second big payoff is a major boost to your security, hardening what's often a really weak point. This just systematically closes those security gaps. No one gets in without authorization and a clear digital footprint. And third, you're going to see a huge gain in operational efficiency. It frees up your teams to focus. This means smoother operations, way less paperwork, and just better coordination between everyone involved. Simple as that. But you might be thinking, isn't this just another check-in app? Not at all. The difference is the integrated approach. See, unlike those single-purpose apps, SFDP is actually part of a much bigger security and governance ecosystem. So at the end of the day, this isn't just about managing visitors. It's about building real organizational discipline. So the real question is, are you ready to finally close one of your biggest security gaps? SFDP is the answer.